Every cup of chai you drink is fueling India's economy. Seriously, think about it. That rupees 10 roadside tea you had this morning, it's part of a chain that employs over 1.16 million people directly and supports millions more through transport, packaging, retail, and logistics. Now let's look into the bigger picture. India produced 1.28 billion kilos of tea in 2024 alone. We consume 80% of our own tea. That's 750 grams per person per year and increasing. So yes, tea is more than a habit. It's an economic engine. But wait, the real story brews even further. India's tea industry is worth 1 trillion today. In just 5 years, it's expected to grow by 50%. Tea exports brought in 7,000 crores in 2024, making us the second largest tea exporter globally. Countries like Russia, Iraq, and the UAE can't get enough of Indian tea, especially the black tea, which makes up to 96% of our exports. So what's powering this industry? Small growers. Over 50% of India's tea comes from them, often in rural regions with limited income alternatives. Your chai is directly supporting grassroots economic growth. So, how can you benefit from all this? Here are a few smart ideas. 1. Invest in listed tea companies. Look into stocks like Tata Consumers, McLeod Russell, etc. 2. Track tea futures and agri-commodity trends. 3. Explore agro-real estate. Tea plantations in Assam, Darjeeling and Nilgiris are increasingly attracting retail investors for long-term growth. 4. Watch for government schemes. Subsidies and reforms via the Tea Board of India are pushing modernization, and that can mean tailwinds for companies or cooperative ties to the sector. So the next time you sip your chai, know this. You're not just taking a break, you're plugging into one of India's oldest, strongest and most underestimated industries. And if you want to go from sipping to stacking wealth, follow PickRight for more such finance related content.